You and your students might want to export your Minecraft creations to use in other applications. Here's how to do it. Press T to open the chat. Type in the following command: /give space @s space structure_block. This will give you a structure block in your inventory. Get out of the chat and then place the structure block in the top right corner of your creation. Right click on the structure block to open the menu, and then use the X, Y and Z coordinates to resize the area that you want to export. Once you're happy, select 3D Export from the Mode drop-down menu. Select Export and navigate to where you want the file to save. Rename the file and select Save. Once you have the file, you can insert it into a range of applications such as PowerPoint.